everyone and welcome to SJC News Report for the month of June. I am Aparna Mahana from class 8A.
And I am Anirudh Jindal from class 6E. We bring you the highlights at St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School for the month of June 2025.
June saw many significant events and also the reopening of the school after a long hot summer vacation, ushering the students back to school to resume the academic journey on a fresh note. The campus came alive once again with the cheerful chatter of teachers and students and the buzz of new beginnings.
On the 11th, 12th and 13th, our school conducted a training session for all computer teachers. The program provided an excellent opportunity for them to enhance and update their understanding of the fundamentals of robotics and refine their technical skills. The training focused on Arduino programming in C++ and its application in electronics, microcontrollers and engineering. Integrating these resources into the ICSE curriculum will benefit not just our teachers but the students as well.
On 20th June, the teaching faculty gathered for a long-awaited meeting, making a joyful reunion after an extended period. The atmosphere was filled with warmth as colleagues exchanged memories, shared updates and reconnected with smiles and laughter. Beyond that, the session provided a valuable platform to deliberate on academic priorities, review upcoming plans and introduce fresh perspectives on effective teaching methods. To equip teachers with a refreshed approach to teaching the second year of school cinema curriculum by LXL Ideas, a special session was conducted by the facilitator Shri Shrikant Raut. He shared insightful guidelines on the do's and don'ts of the subject, offering practical strategies to enhance classroom engagement. The session aimed at empowering teachers to connect more effectively with their students and develop a deeper understanding of their perspectives, thereby enriching the overall teaching learning experience.
On the next day, all the teachers and non-teaching staff of our school came together for a delightful outing. The day was filled with high energy, engaging games and moments of hearty laughter, creating an atmosphere of togetherness and celebration. Everyone participated enthusiastically, reliving the carefree spirit of their own childhood through fun-filled activities and light-hearted interactions. It was truly a day worth remembering and cherishing, as it strengthened the bonds within our school family and created memories that will be treasured for years to come.
On 21st June, numerous students from our school actively participated in the celebration of International Yoga Day, honoring this ancient practice deeply rooted in the Indian culture. The event, organized by the district collectorate, was held at the iconic Ma Samleshwari temple, a landmark that added spiritual significance to the occasion. Guided by our physical education teachers, the students performed various yoga asanas with enthusiasm and discipline, embracing the holistic benefits of yoga. The session served as a rejuvenating experience, fostering harmony of body, mind and soul while reinforcing the importance of adopting yoga as a part of daily life.
With the reopening of school on 23rd June, a new era of healthy living was ushered in Sugar-Free Eating Initiative. In alignment with the directive from the NCPCR, New Delhi, our school has launched a comprehensive awareness program on sugar intake for students. To reinforce this initiative, informative boards and displays have been installed on notice boards highlighting recommended sugar intake levels and suggesting healthier alternatives. Through this endeavor, we aim to inspire a generation that is more conscious of its dietary choices and committed to a healthier lifestyle.
On 28th June, students from class 1 to 10 enthusiastically participated in a sugar awareness poster making competition organized by the school. The theme, Say No to Excess Sugar, inspired students to showcase their understanding of the harmful effects of excessive sugar consumption and promote healthier lifestyle choices for their better future. After collecting an overwhelming number of submissions and whittling down the best artworks, the first, second, and third prize winners for each class were announced. The capabilities of the students were demonstrated once again in the most artistic way.
On the very same day, the students of class 8th and 9th had a valuable learning experience as they visited the Potapali urban tree plantation site and actively participated in the Sabuja Sambalpur mission. Organized under the town forest range by the Sambalpur Forest Division as part of a district level plantation program, the event provided students with hands-on exposure to the significance of afforestation and environmental conservation. By planting saplings, the students not only contributed to the greening initiative but also gained practical knowledge about ecological sustainability. It was an inspiring day that instilled a sense of responsibility towards protecting nature.
Finally, on 30th June, every classroom in the school came alive with color and creativity as students took center stage in a vibrant display of their artistic and academic talents. From each class, the students with the best chart papers were also awarded.
Thank you very much for tuning into the SJC News Report.
We will be back with many updates in the next month. Until then, goodbye and happy learning.
Subscribe for more updates.